Wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Marvo 2.4G Ergonomic wireless computer keyboard with phone tablet holder. Silent mouse with 6-button. Compatible with MacBook, Windows, black. Looking for a sleek, ergonomic solution to upgrade your workspace? The Marvo 2.4G wireless keyboard and mouse combo could be just what you need. With a unique blend of comfort and functionality, this combo offers a smooth, quiet typing experience with its ergonomic design, while the silent mouse ensures minimal distractions. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, from MacBook to Windows PCs and even smartphones, making it a versatile choice for modern setups. Whether you're working, gaming, or just browsing, the 6-button silent mouse and built-in tablet holder provide seamless multitasking capabilities. Plus, with a 12-month warranty, you can enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. Ready to enhance your productivity and style? Let's dive deeper into why this wireless combo should be your next tech upgrade. Brand name: Marvo. Color: black. Connectivity technology: radio frequency. Special feature: ergonomic, compatible devices: laptop, personal computer, smartphone. Package dimensions: 17.18 x 8.98 x 1.85 inches. Item weight: 1.68 pounds. Manufacturer: Marvo. About this item: Marvo wireless keyboard and mouse combo, battery not included. 2.4G ergonomic wireless computer keyboard with 9.84-inch phone tablet holder. Silent mouse with 6-button, 800, 1200, 1600 DPI adjustable. Compatible with Windows XP Vista, the 8th of July 10 and macOS operating systems. Marvo provide 12-month worry-free warranty and friendly customer service. When connection, red power light will blink for 5 to 8 seconds and then turn off. In low battery mode, red power light will blink when you press pause. So it is normal for the red light to blink for 5 to 8 seconds when you first start using the device. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.